Hi everyone, it's Alyssa from Stitchonomy, and today I'm going to show you how to use an embroidery hoop. Embroidery made easy. There are many types of embroidery hoops, but lucky for us, they all work in the same way. We've got bamboo hoops, wooden hoops, but today I'm going to show you how to use an embroidery hoop with this plastic non-slip hoop.
First, loosen the screw. You don't have to completely remove the screw. How loose your screw has to be depends on how thick your fabric is. Separate the inner and the outer hoop and lay down the inner hoop on a flat surface. Now place your fabric on top. Take your outer hoop and place it on top. Gently push down. Now fasten the screw. You can make it as tight as you want, but if you are using a bamboo hoop, make sure not to bend the little metal parts by tightening the screw too much. Flip your hoop over and tug on the corners to make your fabric taut. It's important to make your fabric as taut as possible to prevent it from puckering while you stitch. It will also make your stitches look nicer if the fabric is tight. Ta-da! Nice and taut.
It's in the hoop. That's really all you have to do. And when you are done stitching, just reverse the process, loosen the screw again, take off the outer hoop, and take out your fabric or your project. Some people say don't leave your project in the hoop because it will crease too much. Now, I'm super lazy and I find it really annoying to keep taking my project in and out because I work on a lot of projects at the same time, as I'm sure you do as well. And I like to keep them in the hoop just because I don't feel like taking them out all the time. And I've personally never had a crease that I couldn't iron out at the end. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button. And if you haven't already, subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, comment below or find me on Instagram at Stitchonomy. Thank you so much for watching. This was Alyssa with Embroidery Made Easy, and I'll see you all next time.